Hi lovelies, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, as you can see from the title, we're unboxing a limited edition box, and this is from Glossybox, and this is the collaboration with Bella. See, this is the Bella Blossom. So if you want to see what's inside in this box, just keep on watching. So before I start, lovelies, if you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Jayca. I'll do beauty videos like unboxing, subscription boxes, beauty haul, lineup, spoiler of subscription boxes, and more. So if you like this kind of video, make sure to subscribe. And if you're ready to subscribe, lovelies, thank you so much for tuning in again, and thank you so much for your continuing support. So yes, today we're unboxing a limited edition box from Glossybox, and this is in collaboration with Bella. This is the Blossom box. This box, it costs £20 for non-subscribers and £15 for subscribers. I think for all the exact info, as always, and all the link will be in the description box below. So yes, let's open this box. It's quite heavy, and the packaging, how gorgeous this packaging. It has that spring feeling. It's a gorgeous box, and then when you open this one, you just need to slide it, and then their usual pink box inside. And then we have the booklet, and it says here, "Hey Glossy, spring is in the air and it's time for us all to bloom again. This March we've got together with Glossy again to make sure all Bella readers feel fresh and beautiful this season with a gorgeous box packed with 10 must-have beauty products plus a special treat as a little gift to you. So whether you are all about achieving your best ever skin or stocking up on glam new makeup for the warmer months, we've got you covered. Love, Bella." And then we have a ribbon as always, and then the pink tissue paper. Oh, it's all packed. And let's see each product here. So the first one we have in this box, we have from AHC Natural Essential Mask Aqua Nourishing and Hydrating. I tried this product before. I had it in one of subscription box. I don't remember which one, but it's really a good mask. Very moisturizing one. After I use this product, my skin feels really soft, and mask, it's very soaked, it's very wet. So yes, the important thing for me, it's very moisturizing. I really like it, and you can feel the mask. It's kind of thick one. It's a full size. This it's retail for £6, and it says, "Treat stress complexions to a calming and hydrating remedy with this Aqua Essential Calming Mask powered by a host of nourishing ingredients. This soothing sheet mask works to comfort and replenish the look of tired, dull skin." So yeah, so this is the first product we have inside, and then the next one we have here, and this is from Greyskull, England. This is Vanilla Plush and Peony Luxurious Body Butter. It's a massive product. The packaging, it feels luxury. Let's smell it. Oh, smells like it has that florally scent. Very nice one. I think I have this one here. Very moisturizing, very thick consistency. So yes, this is the second product. This is a full size, and it's retail for £8, and it says, "Treat yourself to a moment of indulgence with this luxurious body butter. Thick and smooth in texture, this formula combines the antioxidant properties of grape juice together with the hydrating power of shea butter and sweet almond oil to form a moisturizing and nourishing formula that helps skin maintain moisture for longer." So yes, this is the second item. And the next one we have here, and I know this is a full size. This is from ENQUIRIES Beauty Cheek and Lip Tint. I have this one in my collection, and I'm using this one at the moment. So I'm using this one at the moment, as you can see. So this is the inside packaging, and this is the outer packaging. Yes, it's the same shade, flamingo pink. It has 5 ml. Looks like this, and as I said, I'm using this one at the moment because it gives you those natural rosy cheeks one. Here we go. I never use it on my lips, but I use it on my cheeks. And here we go. I applied too much, but once you blend it, it's like a subtle blush. It's like a natural blush, and it's very hydrating one. And this one is rated for 10 pounds. Here it says discover double duty beauty of a rosy pout and flash cheeks. This lip and cheek tint perfectly blurs the lines between a dewy gloss and a pigmented stain, making it an essential multitasking product. Blend in to give your cheeks a youthful luminous glow and your lips a natural pop of buildable color. So yes, this is the third product. The next one we have here, and this is the only product that I won't use in this box because I don't use fake tan. This is from James Read Gradual Tan Coconut Water Tan Mist Face. It has 30 ml. This is travel size and it's worth 10 pounds. The full size, which is 100 ml, it's retail for 20 pounds. And it says take tanning to the next level with this facial tan mist, containing a base of natural coconut water and supercharged with antioxidant. This mist restores hydration, revitalizes skin, and delivers a natural golden glow to your complexion. This weightless formula absorbed in seconds to quickly lock in moisture, whilst essential fatty acids soothe dry areas and improve the skin overall texture and tone. Sounds really good. So here we go. And then the next one we have here, this is from This Works. I love this brand. This is the Stress Check Kind Hand Soothing Hand Cream for Dry Overwash Hand. Here we go. It's a must at the moment. And this one is a travel size and it's retail for 6 pounds. The full size, which is 75 ml, it's retail for 10 pounds. And it says hands feeling a little worse for wear? Panic not. This intensely moisturizing hand cream is ideal for everyday use and is perfect for use after hand sanitizer too. With vitamin E and shea butter, key ingredients in its formula, it's sure to have sensitive hands in need to relieve. So yes, and it smells really nice. I think I have this one. It has a sealed horn. It has that like organic lavender scent. I think there's a lavender inside here. Yes, it has shea butter to nourish and ilang-ilang and lavender essential oil to help calm the mind. Yeah, it has lavender. It has that relaxing scent. The next one we have, and this is from Eyco. This is a new product. This is the Yoga Waterproof Mascara. So this is a full size and it's retail for 19 pounds. Here we go, the mascara inside. I will pop here the applicator because, as you know, I never open multiple mascara. I think I have opened 3 mascara at the moment. So yes, I'll wait for this one. And it says this mascara is like Savasana for your lashes. Its unique lotus flower inspired brush extend, lift, and curl your lashes for increased flexibility, all while its vegan formula helps to condition and enhance your natural eyelashes with super staying power. The brush, it looks like the lotus flower, which is so excited for this one because I think the tip of this brush, it's really nice when you need to apply it in your inner corner of your eye. And then we have from Mellow Precision Pen Eyeliner. So here we go. And this one, it's a full size and it's retail for 14 pounds. We go inside and it says craft striking eyes for every occasion. Mellow Liquid Precision Pen Eyeliner makes liquid lining super fast and easy. This long-lasting super black formula creates the thinnest or thickest wing in one sweep and gives eyes a bolder look without having to try too hard. Let's see inside. It's hard to open it. Oops. So it's very thin applicator, and let's see here. Oh, it's quite pigmented. So this is one strike. If we, here we go, very pigmented, and I think it's a waterproof because, as you can see, it doesn't like smudge. Can't wait to try it. As you can see, it doesn't smudge at all. Ooh, we'll try this one. We have a few more products in here. We have from Skin Chemist Rose Quartz Youth Defense Lip Lamp. This is a full size and it's retail for £44.99. Wow, this is a very expensive brand, but I would say this is really a good product. It's not sticky at all. It's give you that plump, but it doesn't have the tickling sensation. But yes, I really do like this one. And it says visibly improve the shape, texture, and volume of your lips, bursting with active ingredients. These lip products formula aims to plump and nourish lips, resulting in a more supple and hydrated appearance. Yes, I agree with that, because after I use this one, my lips feel really hydrated. And then we have, this is from Pry Ageless Throat Decolletage Cream. Here we go. I think this is a deluxe sample size. Yes, it's a deluxe sample size, 10 ml, and it's worth £7.99. The full size, which is 50 ml, it's rated for £25. And it says, is your neck aging faster than your face? This luxurious cream developed specifically for the throat and decolletage attacks the fixes and crepiness, double chin, and droopy jaws by restoring elasticity using its exclusive step lift technology. Gliding on effortlessly, results are visibly in only 7 days too. This is a nice product. I tried it. Yes, very hydrating one, but I'm quite lazy doing skincare sometimes, so I usually use my moisturizer, my face moisturizer, on my neck too. I don't usually use another product on my neck. So yes, it's a nice product because I tried it, but sometimes I'm quite lazy to apply it, I'll be honest. And then we have from Mavila in the shade Brown Break Nail Color Cream. Very gorgeous shade. It's like a brownish everyday shade. I think this is a full size. Yes, it's a full size, and it's retail for £5.80. And it says, if you want to jazz up your nails this spring, this polish is here to help. We love this cinnamon brown shade. Generous and reassuring, it's ideal for adding a little glam to your nails. Its unique formula not only looks great, and it is also long-lasting with microscopic air pockets that allow your nails to breathe. So here we go. And then the next product we have, this is from Phylorga, the Age Purify Intensive. This is just a deluxe sample size, and this one is rated for £14. It has 7 ml. The full size, which is 30 ml, it's rated for £62. And it says, uniquely designed to improve the appearance of both blemishes and wrinkles. This serum provides intense, revitalizing result. Gentle and lightweight, it glides across skin, absorbing readily while working to control oil and shine. It's ideal for both and combination skin type, helping you to achieve a more natural looking surface. Also, it also has the ability to rebalance your visage, adding a lasting sense of refinement and glow. So here we go. And the last one we have here, I think this is the treat one. We have a sample size perfume from the brand Ghost. It smells nice, and this one, it has 3 ml, so this is just an extra treat. The full size, which is 50 ml, is rated for £34. And it says, a fragrance extra treat. Ghost Sweetheart is feminine and fresh and spontaneous and sweet, and has been created to bring you closer to an image of real love. It's a mixture of gentle, sweet, innocent aromas with top notes and spearmint, lemon, and pineapple, heart notes of rose and jasmine, and a base of sandalwood, vanilla, and more. So here we go. So yeah, that's it. So let's do a recap, lovely. So we have an extra treat, which is the Ghost Sweetheart perfume. We have a full size, which is from Greyskull. It smells lovely, very moisturizing one. The vanilla blush and peony, it has that florally scent. We have a full size nail polish from Mavila, and this is the nail color cream in the shade Brown Break. And then we have a full size mascara from Ico. This is the Yoga Waterproof Mascara. And then we have also a full size from Mellow, the Precision Pen Eyeliner. We have the full size from MCO Beauty cheek and lip tint, a full-size mask, which is the AHC Natural Essential Mask, a full-size lip plump from Skin Chemist, the Rose Quartz Youth Defense Lip Plump, and then we have the Lux Sample Size or Travel Size from This Works, Stress Check Kind Hands, James Reed Gradual Tan Coconut Water Tan Mist, and then we have from Pry Ageless Throat and Décolletage, then from Phylorga the Age Purify Intensive. So it's quite few products inside. So overall for me lovelies, for the price, for 20 pounds or 15 pounds, it's really a good bargain. Great products inside, great mix of products and great brands. So yes, I think if you never tried this product before, I highly recommend it. Still available on Glossybox website, so if you want to check it out, I will pop the link down below, and all the info as always will be in the description box below. So that's all for me lovelies. What do you think of this box? Did you purchase this box? Are you waiting for this box? Let me know in the comment below. So that's all for me lovelies. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, make sure to smash the like button, and if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to see more unboxing subscription boxes, and don't forget to click the notification bell so you know when I upload a video. See you in my next video lovelies. Bye.